I actually think we're going to be seeing boho design a lot in 2024, like for real. Boho design was kind of everywhere in 2011, 2012. You just had to be there. The Coachella looks, that actually shift culture. I'm not even kidding. But because of that, boho design can feel a little outdated by now. But what I think we're going to be seeing in 2024 is a reinterpretation of that style. Same elements, a lot of organic, abstract shapes, mystical vibes, a lot of earthy, muted color palettes. As I was saying, same elements, but definitely integrating what is trending now. Incomplete typography, liquid typography, color palettes, textures. All of that has changed since the last rise of boho. So today we're going to create a boho style merch design that is so fit for print on demand that if I personally had a POD business, I would have high hopes for this one. Seriously. I'm going to start by using a notebook element, kind of like as a black color shape. I am 100% using this because of the organic shape silhouette. I mean, notice how I'm using a notebook element in a design that has nothing to do with notebooks or scrapbooks or, I don't know, stationary things whatsoever. So tip number 1, be creative and resourceful with the elements in the library. Really, don't strictly define them by their category. Have fun with them. As I said earlier, Bohemian design lately is very earthy, organic, abstract. I think this is a great keyword for boho design now, actually. Definitely abstract. So I'm just honestly browsing through the elements library for illustrations that fit into these categories. Some keywords that I think they could be helpful to find elements like these are earthy, abstract shapes, doodle, flat color shapes, abstract nature, and mystic if you're looking for a more mystical approach, why not? So screenshot or write this down to use on your own boho design later. It could be very helpful. I'm going for a hippie organic approach here, like just earthy, and I'm loving the vibe so far. Let's talk about color real quick while I look for some more elements. This is not a complex color palette, I know, but I'm pushing towards more muted tones here. I wouldn't choose a very vibrant and bright color for this type of design. You can go even more muted, honestly, but beware the colors are not the same when they are printed. Though this will probably going to look more faded and muted if I print it as a t-shirt or, I don't know, any apparel, really. All right. Time for text. I already knew that I was going for an ink bleed type of font because of the irregular shape. I just had to match the rest of the design, It wouldn't feel the same to use like a sans serif geometric font or something like that. So I'm using my superhero, my one and only, my true love, Impossibilium BRK. This one is just so good. I love it. The serif with the ink bleed looks so good. Okay, so this is the back of the t-shirt. I love it, period. Like, I just love it. Let's mock this up real quick. Just a commentary. Don't you just love when the big artwork on the t-shirt design is on the back? I don't know why, but I just can't let this go. Am I crazy, or in the 2000s the artworks were in the front and now it has been kind of trendy for a while to have them in the back? I don't know, maybe that's just me. Anyways, okay, so the front is really simple, honestly. I just chose the main element, which is that one cute flower. Adorable, by the way. I love her. She is the star of this design and I don't care. And use the circle transformation tool to curve the text in this like cool way. It kind of makes a shape around the flower. It looks so cute. You guys, the transformation text tool is so, no other words, intuitive. You need one click to transform it. And like, I'm not even kidding. I don't know, 3 clicks top to adjust it however you want. It's awesome. Let's put this on a front shirt mock-up over the chest, like smaller, more discreet. I love it when t-shirts have almost like a little teaser of the back design in the front. It's adorable. It's like a miniature of the real design. I like it. This is the final merch design. I love the vibes here. It definitely feels trendy to me, I feel like I could go out and find this t-shirt design if I went shopping right now. It looks cool. So just to go a little extra here, I put together some different color options that look great in this design as well. If you're going for a more muted look, there you go. Just add more gray into these colors and you're good to go. If you want to know more about muted colors and why are they one of the possible 2024 trends in design, go watch her YouTube video on muted color palettes. It's really cool and really informative. That was our Boho style merch design. Guys, you know, it's your turn to design. Go have some fun, and don't forget to share your creation with us. We're very excited to see what you guys are creating within this style. What do you guys think, by the way, about Boho design? I'm a huge fan of Boho interior design, which is funny because I also really like Boho in graphic design. But the thing is, it's definitely not what I'm known for, or not my favorite style to create. But you know, this one is actually super cute. I'm proud of this design. Alright, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Kittl's YouTube channel if you enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun today, honestly. As always, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!